Hi everyone, welcome to AI Code with Suresh, your one-stop channel to learn coding, AI and real-world projects step by step. Today we are starting day 1 of our HTML series, where you will learn how to build the structure of any web pages from the basics to professional layouts. But that is just the beginning. Here is the full learning journey we have planned for you. Web basics, we will start with HTML, then move into the CSS for styling, and JavaScript for adding life and interactivity. And another step and phase 2, we are going to deep into data structure and algorithm using C++, Python and JavaScript together. So you can strengthen your problem solving skills for interviews and real world projects. You know, already we have started up AI Gen AI series and Google Map and API series, and we are going to start up a daily project series also for hackathon purposes. Students may involve into the hackathon. They love this daily project series, and we are going to start up full stack and IT stack series. That is actually the stacks like MERN, Mean and Python backend to make you job ready to start ready. So if you are so serious about learning and building in real projects, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon and follow the series daily. Let's begin with HTML day 1, introduction to HTML structure. Come on. What is HTML? HTML stands for hypertext markup language, the standard markup language for creating web pages. It defines structure, not design. Think of HTML as a skeleton of the website. It gives content its shape and meaning. Now we will see the basic HTML structure. You can see here, this is the document type HTML. It tells browsers to use HTML5. Next tag we will see HTML, which is wraps the entire page. You can see the HTML starting page and this HTML end with the backslash. And another tag we will see head. Head holds information about the page. That is title. It holds the title. It will hold the information about the page. Now we will see another tag. My first web page, that is title. Title shows up in the browser tab. We will see another tag that is the main important thing is body, which contains what users actually see. See, when you execute this HTML, it will show the bodies, what are the contents inside the body that will be shown. Format, it will actually define a paragraph. Whatever content written within this P, that is starting with the opening P and slash P, ends with the end slash P, that contents will be shown in the browser automatically. What are attributes? Attributes are extra pieces of information that most modify or describe element. They are always written inside the opening tag and they come in a name equal to value pair. Consider this example 1. Here A represent this tag define a hyperlink which is used to link from one page to another. href is the attribute name. https www.example.com is its value. When we use the above code in the HTML page, it will show you the link. When the user click it, it goes to the example.com website. That is the concept. Consider this example 2, in which the img tag is used to embed an image in an HTML page. src is the location of the image, and alt, which is alternative text for accessibility, and width you can define the size of the image. These are all the common attributes used in the HTML document, in which ID, class and style is used for styling purposes for the HTML document using CSS software. And you can see here src, it is used for image source, and href is used for link distribution. Alt is used for alt text. Hi coders, welcome to the first day of HTML project series. What we'll do is, we will go to the desktop and we will create one HTML page using Notepad. Just click text, any text, you give it as HTML text. Okay, what to do is, just open that Notepad and you start typing the format of that HTML. First line is what? DOCTYPE, DOCTY, DOCTYPE HTML. Actually, this represents as HTML5. We are using HTML5. This code is represent HTML5. Okay. Second line, what you do is HTML. HTML one more tag, you are going to use it. Whenever you use HTML tag, you have to use one more tag, close HTML, that is /HTML. So when you open the HTML tag, you must close the HTML class. Okay, this you have to remember. You have to close the HTML tag. Whatever tag you open, you should close it. This is a title tag. It represents HTML5. Okay, next. After HTML, within the HTML tag, we have to write some more tag. What we'll do is give some space and give head tag. And you have to give the closure of head tag. Okay. Within the head tag, what I taught you is, within the head tag, you can type the title tag. Title. Okay. Then you have to give some title. My first HTML page. Then you close the title tag. Simple. Okay. You have to type this kind only. Okay. After the head tag, you have to use one more tag. This is the title of the page, and you are going to give a content, for that you have to use body. Head is over. Now body we have to write it. Now in the body, what you do is you can give whatever content inside the body. Okay. Inside body, we can place visible content. For example, we can type H1. H1 means heading tag. Okay. You say welcome to HTML. This will be visible in the page, web page. So you have to use the close H1. This is heading tag. Okay. After that, you have to type P. I already taught you P is a one more tag, paragraph tag. Just write one paragraph. This is my very first web page. Okay, then you have to close that tag. Now, what to do is just save as index.html. Just say save. Okay, what to do is you have to, now you see this is the index.html. When you click it, it will show like this. Welcome to HTML. Okay, what to do is you keep it like this and you see whatever the content here. Open with Notepad. So here you see this is your web page. Okay, whatever you changes making here, this is my first page. No, here see title. This is the title, and this is the heading. This is the heading appearing here, and this is the p tag. Whatever content inside the p tag, it is appearing here. You see, I am changing it. I am very happy to see my first web page. Okay, now you see I am just saving here, but here it is not appearing. Why? You have to refresh it. When you refresh it, it will show I am very happy. It's showing now. So again I am changing it. I am just giving a title head I, and I am just refreshing it. See, it is appearing here. So congratulations, you have done the first web page. You try to modify this using some more lines. Give some more lines like this, and give some more headings, and modify the title. Try it your own web page and put it in your comment. I'll be very happy to hear that. Thanks for all today. Tomorrow we will see day 2, another concepts in HTML. Till such time, I really very happy to hear from you. All are learning HTML, and by the way, we are going to have some more classes on CSS, JavaScript simultaneously. You have to learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript simultaneously every day. so that you can complete this thing within 15 to 20 days. After that, you can able to create web pages seamlessly. We quickly recap what we learned today. HTML is a hypertext markup language, and we have seen the tags. Tags is nothing but H1P, image, source, etc. All are tags. And also we have seen the elements. Elements is inclusive of opening and closing tag. Within the content will be there. So altogether it is called elements. And the attributes is nothing but extra information about elements. Href, title, source, alt, width, etc. These are things are attributes. And that brings us to the end of the day 1 of our HTML learning journey. Today you learned what HTML is, how a web page is structured, and how to use tags and attributes to build your very first page. Remember, HTML is the foundation of every website you will ever create. So keep practicing what we did today. Type the example yourselves, experiment with changing attributes, and observe how the browser reacts. You are already one step closer to becoming a web developer. In a day 2, we will take the things up a notch. We will explore headings, bold, italics, and lists in HTML. You will learn how to format and organize your text beautifully, and how to make your pages more readable and structured. If you enjoyed today's session and learned something new, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel so you will never miss the next class in our HTML 30-day learning series. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing, and I will see you in day 2.